Don't Let the Pigeon
Ever post sound effects or else
by Mo Willems and
I will destroy the bus driver.
Oh, hello. So nice to see you. Funny story. I was just thinking, can I...
Ever post sound effects or else
Sorry if my voice changes. Just that I have this little frog in my throat. Now, where was I? Oh yeah. Aw, come on. You know who would let me? No, I promise I'll play
The Cat in the Hat and
Pigeon's Honor. Ooh, how about this? I'll give you a truck full of... Come on, please. Do you have any idea how many pigeons have already done this? Now, I may be rounding up a little. No! I'll give you this piece of priceless art! What is going on around here? Why won't you let me?
ever post sound effects or else
I have needs. Pigeony needs. It's not like I'm asking you to sit in a room filled with P.U. Hello? I just want to...
ever post sound effects or else
Moo! No! Rats! I knew it would never work with someone in charge like...
I will destroy the bus driver.
That's it! I'm getting a throat lozenge. Nah.